So to make a field side brew, how do I go about it? Well, I have this Kelly kettle, had it a number of years, as you can tell from the battle scars on it. So water in there, and here's the base. So simply get some belly button fluff, or tumble dryer fluff. Pop that in there, it's a good starter. It would be if it wasn't damp. That's better, that's a bit drier. Yeah, it's lint basically. Lots of twigs. I'm beside a lay-by here, so you've got to be careful where you get your twigs, for obvious reasons. Just enough to get it started. Let the air get round. Nice little ones to start with. Can't use my fire starter with one hand. Can't use my fire starter with one hand, but I'd normally use a flint in that scenario, which is one of them, or a striker. Here's the striker. Oh, you bugger. Ooh, ooh. Now I might help that with a splash of diesel. Literally just keep putting little tinder bits in like this, and these verges are full of them. Absolutely. Let's just go here. Look. Everything here is just tinder. Just keep putting little bits in. Just keep putting little bits in until it's boiling really, and it won't be many minutes. If it's too long, you end up with like a little tent thing going on. So you need to stop breaking down to like 3 inches really. And now the beauty of using these, when you get home you smell like bonfire. Just starting to boil there. It's lunchtime, so I'll have a black coffee. I'll do me. Obviously, I'll let that cool to the optimum coffee water temperature. And that's that. Just get the thingy on a stick, tip the ash out. Make sure you stamp it in. Lovely. Then to pack it away, upside down. And then the bottom bit's its base as well, just pops in the base. So there we are, camping field brew, or coffee.